Have you ever boarded a plane feeling great, only to realize your outfit is a total nightmare mid-flight? Maybe you're freezing at 30,000 feet, stuck in a security pat-down because of metal in your clothes, or worse, struggling in the tiny airplane bathroom with pants you can't even unzip. Airlines won't warn you, but what you wear on a flight can absolutely ruin your trip. In this video, we're revealing 10 travel outfits that will ruin your flight. Yes, even seasoned travelers make these mistakes. These aren't just fashion tips. They're comfort hacks, TSA tricks, and wardrobe warnings that could save you hours of frustration and even prevent a full-on travel disaster. And trust me, number 10 is one I wish someone told me years ago. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips airlines don't want you to know. Now let's dive in and find out what outfits you should never wear on a plane. Number 1. Shawls and ponchos. The number 1 item you should never wear on an airplane is a shawl or poncho. Here's why these seemingly cozy options are actually travel nightmares. These flowing fabrics get caught on everything: the back of seats, armrests, and even other passengers. I once had my tasseled poncho dip directly into another passenger's coffee. Talk about an awkward travel moment. But here's what most travel guides won't tell you. Ponchos and shawls severely restrict your movement in tight airplane spaces. When you're rushing through the terminal with a carry-on and backpack, the last thing you need is fabric tangling around your arms. Instead, pack your favorite shawl in your carry-on and save it for your destination. Your fellow passengers, and their coffee cups, will thank you. And that's just the beginning. What's coming next is stylish but secretly a TSA and hygiene nightmare. Number 2. Jumpsuits. That cute jumpsuit might look amazing on Instagram, but it's your worst enemy on a plane. And I'm speaking from painful experience here. Think about it. What happens when nature calls at 35,000 feet? You're stuck in a bathroom the size of a closet, practically undressing completely just to use the toilet. It's not just inconvenient. It's a hygiene nightmare when your outfit is touching every surface in that tiny lavatory. Here's my pro tip. If you love the jumpsuit look, opt for a matching two-piece set instead. You'll get the same stylish appearance, but with the functionality of separates. This travel hack gives you 2 benefits: easier bathroom breaks and the ability to mix and match pieces throughout your vacation. Still not convinced? Let me tell you what happened when I wore a jumpsuit on a flight to Paris. Number 3. Skimpy athletic wear. Next up, those tiny volleyball shorts and sports bras that are taking over airport fashion. While they might look cute for your vacation photos, they're a recipe for an uncomfortable flight. Here's the science behind it. Those pleather airplane seats create a moisture problem against bare skin. I'm talking about that sticky, sweaty feeling that makes you squirm for hours. Not exactly the relaxing start to a vacation you were hoping for, right? And let's be honest, airplane cabins are notoriously cold. Those tiny shorts that seem perfect in the terminal will leave you shivering at cruising altitude, forcing you to wrap up in that paper-thin airline blanket, if you're lucky enough to get one. Pro travel hack: layer comfortable, breathable fabrics instead. Think cotton leggings with a long top that covers your backside. Practical, comfortable, and still stylish for those arrival photos. But there's another fabric mistake that almost everyone makes, and it could ruin your entire flight experience. Number 4. Stiff fabrics and structured pieces. Those trendy shackets, shirt jackets, and structured blazers. Save them for your destination photos. Stiff fabrics might look polished, but they're torture during a long flight. The problem isn't just comfort, it's mobility. When you're contorting yourself to retrieve items from your bag under the seat or reaching for the overhead bin. Rigid fabrics restrict your movement and can even tear at the seams. My travel secret? Opt for soft, draping fabrics that move with your body. Look for tops with natural stretch that hide travel bloat. We all get it. And still look put together when you land. I own multiple versions of the same flattering drape top because they're my flight uniform. Easy to layer and versatile enough to wear multiple times during my trip. You might be wondering what bottoms pair best with these tops. But first, let me warn you about the next major travel fashion mistake. Number 5. Tight jeans. Those skin-tight jeans might make your legs look amazing, but they can actually be dangerous at 30,000 feet. This isn't just about comfort, it's about your health. During flights, especially long ones, your risk of developing blood clots increases when blood flow is restricted. Tight jeans constricting your bent knees for hours? That's exactly what doctors warn against. Here's my insider secret. Pack those tight jeans for your vacation photos, but wear stretchy, comfortable alternatives for the flight itself. And always pack a pair of slightly looser jeans for the end of your trip. Trust me, after a week of vacation meals, your pre-trip jeans might suddenly feel 2 sizes too small. My recommendation: high-waisted compression leggings from brands like Zella at Nordstrom. They provide the structure of jeans with the comfort of leggings, and they won't roll down when you're bending to grab your bag or sitting for extended periods. And don't worry, it's not just about bottoms. What you wear on top could turn your seatmate into your worst enemy. Let's talk about that. Number 6. Single-use blouses or special occasion tops. Here's a travel secret that professional travelers swear by. Never wear a one-hit wonder outfit piece on your flight. If you're packing in a carry-on, which I highly recommend, every piece of clothing needs to pull double or triple duty. That sequined top or unique blouse that only matches one outfit? Don't waste valuable packing real estate by wearing it during travel. Instead, choose versatile pieces you can re-wear during your trip. Neutral colors and classic styles that can be dressed up or down with accessories. But let's talk about another common mistake that could literally drag your outfit through the dirt before your vacation even begins. Number 7. Floor-length dresses and pants. That gorgeous maxi dress or those stylish wide-leg pants that brush the floor. They might be perfect for your vacation photos, but they're a disaster waiting to happen in airports and airplane lavatories. Think about it. What's on those floors? Coffee spills, bathroom misses, and who knows what else. Do you really want to drag your cute vacation outfit through that before you even arrive? The uncomfortable truth is that it's not your cleanliness we're worried about. It's everyone else's. Once your outfit picks up those floor stains, they're coming with you to your destination. My travel hack? Pack those floor-length pieces and wear cropped pants or knee-length dresses for travel days. Your vacation wardrobe will thank you. Now, let me tell you about a footwear mistake that could leave you stranded at security. Number 8. Complicated footwear. Pull-on boots, lace-up shoes, and complicated strappy sandals might complete your look, but they'll make you that person holding up the security line and possibly miss your flight. Here's why. In the rush of security, you need shoes you can slip on and off quickly. Plus, those tight boots that seemed comfortable in your bedroom become torture chambers when your feet swell at altitude. But I've got a clever hack for you. If you must wear lace-up shoes, loosen them significantly before security and slip them on and off like loafers. Then re-tighten them once you're through. For boots, make sure they're the type that can be easily packed. Your carry-on space is precious. Speaking of security hassles, there's another accessory mistake that could flag you for extra screening. Number 9. Bulky jewelry and metal accessories. Those statement necklaces and chunky metal bracelets? They're not just uncomfortable on a long flight. They'll make you the target of additional security screening. Even with TSA pre-check, large metal accessories can trigger the detectors, forcing you to remove them and potentially forget them in those little plastic bins. I've seen countless travelers lose precious jewelry this way. My travel secret? Wear minimal jewelry on travel days and pack your statement pieces safely in your carry-on. Not only will you breeze through security, but you'll also avoid the discomfort of heavy accessories digging into your skin during a long flight. But there's one more critical mistake that could literally ruin your entire vacation wardrobe. Number 10. White clothing. The absolute number one outfit mistake I see experienced travelers make. Wearing white pants, dresses, or sweaters on a flight. This isn't just a fashion faux pas. It's practically inviting disaster. Let me paint this picture. You're squeezing past rows of passengers with their coffee cups and tomato juice. You're handling luggage with wheels that have touched who knows what. You're sitting in seats that thousands of other travelers have used. I learned this lesson the hard way when I wore white jeans and had to remove my suitcase from the overhead bin. That black wheel mark ruined my pants before I even arrived at my destination. Save those crisp white outfits for the perfect vacation moment, like those Christmas market photos where the lights will make your white sweater look magical. Pro tip: instead of white, opt for medium tones or patterns that can hide minor travel mishaps until you reach your hotel. Bonus hack: how to protect your valuables without looking like a tourist. Many of you have messaged me about keeping valuables safe during flights without bulky money belts. Here's my insider secret. Stretchy running belts worn under your clothes can discreetly hold 2 passports vertically, plus have a small zippered pocket for cash or cards. Just remember, you'll need to remove this for security screening, so plan accordingly. And there you have it. 10 outfit mistakes that could sabotage your travel experience. Which fashion mistake have you made before? Comment below. If this saved your next trip wardrobe, hit like and subscribe for more insider travel secrets. Tap that notification bell for my upcoming video on hidden hotel booking tricks that could save you hundreds. Safe travels, and I'll see you at the gate.